Ito lang pala ng papaya. Kung hindi nyo gustong i-blender, pwede nyo lunukin. Kumuha kayong kutsara, isang kutsara lunukin everyday, makakatulong ko sa inyo.
Darna!
Sige, game.
Eating papaya seed helps prevent kidney failure problems and also helps treatment when you are already suffering from this problem.
Okay.
For this case especially, we recommend chewing 7 papaya seeds 7 times a day.
Okay, eating papaya seeds help prevent kidney failure problem. Maraming problema sa Pilipinas ngayon, kaya po dumami ang dialysis center. Dahil napakaraming Filipinos ang nagme-maintain ng synthetic medication. True? At dahil may maintenance ka, yung side effect nun, makakasira kay kidney. So how can we protect kidney from acquiring such diseases as chronic kidney disease or renal failure or kidney failure? You can eat 7 seeds ng papaya, ngunguyain mo yon for 7 days. So, araw-araw, 7 buto ngunguyain. Pero, malaki maitutulong niya kay kidney. Okay ba yon?